Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy baked ziti just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started with browning up some ground beef. I have the heat on medium, and I've already seasoned the ground beef. But my production team lost that clip again. You just can't get good help these days. But here's a list of what I seasoned the ground beef with. ASIL is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section. But if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt instead. Now, once the ground beef has browned up, then I drained the grease and I added some onions and multicolored bell peppers. Oh, by the way, the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. After I let the veggies cook for about 2 minutes, then I'm gonna add in some garlic. I add the garlic last because it has a tendency to burn. Now I'm gonna let that cook for about another minute before adding in the spaghetti sauce, as well as 2 bay leaves. One day I'll share with you my homemade spaghetti sauce recipe, but today ain't that day. Today we're going with that good old roasted garlic and Parmesan Prego. I just doctor it up with a little seasoning and some Italian sausage. I like a meaty, hearty spaghetti sauce, so I air fried me some Italian sausage, and I'm adding that in too. Now I'm gonna cover this up and let it simmer for about 20 minutes while I prepare my ziti pasta noodles according to the package directions. Now I got out my baking dish and we're gonna do this in layers, going down first with a light layer of the spaghetti sauce, followed by a layer of the ziti noodles. And then once I got the ziti noodles down, then I'm gonna go in again with some more spaghetti sauce right on top of the noodles. I'm leaving the bay leaves in because as the ziti bakes, that's gonna provide added flavor. Just be sure to fish them out and throw them away at the end. Now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese as well as some mozzarella cheese. And then next I'm going to add some more noodles and repeat. Oh, I forgot to mention earlier that when you cook your noodles, you don't want to cook them for like the full 8 minutes. The pasta is going to continue to cook when it's baking in the oven, so you don't want to overcook the pasta and then it be all mushy. So it's best to only boil the noodles for about 4 minutes. Be sure to top the last layer off of the baked ziti with some mozzarella cheese and preheat your oven to 375 and let the ziti bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted and bubbly. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumble.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. You already know this baked ziti was the bomb.com. Stop playing with me. Well, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
I need ya, help me split these peas, yeah. You got recipes, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.